Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Smart Split Columns function in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here this data with name, last name and number of points. If we want to split it and convert to columns, we need to select here all data which we want to split. After that, we need to go to Data tab, and here we have something like text to columns. We need to click on this option and we need to select here Smart Split Columns. Then intelligent split columns preview will be displayed here, but of course we don't want to use this option now because it is incorrect form. We need to change the settings for this split, so we click on custom split column. Then we go to delimiter, and here we need to check which delimiter we have here. So the first delimiter is space, because we have space between name and last name. So I click on space. So now we can see the split. In the first column we have names, on the second column we have last names with comma, and on the last column we have number of points. Of course we don't want to have here commas, so we need to type here comma on enter delimiter field. After that it will be deleted, because delimiter are being deleted when we want to split it on the columns. So now we can click finish button, and how you see it is really working. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.